back. So, ano yan? Wednesday, February 11. So, first choice, doon ako sa consistent na high speed. Alam ko may hagok lang yan, pero baka may tawidan laban. Second choice ko yung Cosentino ko na outstanding. Gawin ko ng Cosentino ko first choice. Yung nakaraan, ewan ko, baka biyahe lang yan. Second choice ko high speed. Third choice ko yung Forever Forever King. Yung Forever King, di bandera, 1-2 lang to. So, pag biyahe yung 5-7, baka yun naman manalo. So, 7, 5, and 8, alright?
Alright.
Race number 2, ayan, one for the day. Patok, Heroes of the Del 96, napakababa na sa laban, tapos ang galing ng barrier, ano pa hanapin mo? Nasa kanya na po ang lahat. Second choice ay si Top of the Mark. Ang third choice ay si Good Reason, 2, 4, and 6. Alright?
Right.
Quick vlog, 3 minutes lang. Race number 3, gusto ko dihado, moment like this. Second choice ko si Macarit, third choice ko si Marengo. 7, 8, and 4 sa race number 3.
Right.
Alright. Sa race number 4, ito ang pinakamagulong karera sa buong maghapon. Advanced party, magandang dehado. Pero sa walang numero. Stand in Faith. Golden Petita tsaka Lucky Nono. 5, 3, and 1.
Alright.
Alright. Sa race number 4. 5, 3, and 1. Sa race number 5, Boy Wonder. Second choice ko si Bohemian. Third choice ko si Lola's Favorite. 6, 5, and 1. Alright?
Right.
Race number 6. Ito isa sa mga patok. Tingin ko, miskin na ibiyahin nila, walang pagtataguan. Ready Crescent at si Zoom. First choice. Second choice si Pasayenyo. Third choice si Boss Ako Naman. Baliktad. Boss Ako Naman. 4, 5, and 8. Alright? Alright?
Right.
And last race. Ito, biyahe lang nung nakaraan. Static. Karapal yan. Diyan tayo. Second choice ko, Freddy's Cutie. Pero anybody's race dyan. 1 or 7. Third choice ko lang si Fast Sailing. Alright?
Right.
Ayan. So, quick vlog. Remember to be good because God is good all the time. Maraming salamat, Mr. Pantot, at pinagtsatsaga mo yung pagtulong sa vlog namin. Alright? See you guys.
Bye-bye.